Hello children, welcome to Samveda E-class. Today we will study 6th standard mathematics chapter number 2, whole numbers. Students, it's a very beautiful chapter and very interesting chapter. So to study in detail about this whole numbers, for our convenience I have divided the chapter into two parts. So in this session we will study the first part of the whole numbers. Okay. Now, before getting into the chapter, I request all of you to be ready with your notebook and stationery items. Got it, children? So then we will start up with the lesson whole numbers. You have learnt more about numbers in your previous classes, about smaller number, bigger number, writing the numbers in ascending orders or descending orders, and even after numbers, before numbers, and even the expansion of numbers and all you have already studied from your lower classes. But the thing is, we need to study more about the numbers, that is whole numbers, in this particular session. I will display some of the objects. Children, you can see the objects on your TV screen. Let us start to count. See, you can see the ball. That is how many number of balls we have here? It is 1. Next, we have 2 number of balls. Then we have 3 balls here. Is it correct, children? Next, we have 1 banana and 3 bananas, 4 number of bananas. Children, you can see here we have number of balls as like 1, 2, 3, and the number of bananas are of 1, 3, 4. And one thing you can notice that as soon as I just have informed you to count the numbers, you have started to count the number of objects from 1 itself. Is it correct, children? Yes, the numbers always we used to start to count from 1 itself. So the number which will be started from 1 are called natural numbers, are also counting numbers. Naturally, to count the numbers, we will start from 1 itself. So hence these are called natural numbers and are also counting numbers. Students, we will see the discussion of natural numbers now. Okay. See now, counting numbers from 1 are nothing but natural numbers. So counting numbers usually we will start from 1, next numbers, that is 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. So you have already familiar with the numbers starting from 1, and that is we are going to call it as natural numbers, are also called counting numbers. This circle you can see the number of natural numbers, students. So counting numbers from 1 are called natural numbers. Always the natural numbers will start from 1, that you should not forget, and the smallest natural number is 1, of course. Why? Because natural numbers will start from 1 itself, therefore smallest natural number is 1. I hope you have understood, children, about the natural numbers. Then we will move to next thing, that is the things which we are going to study from this particular chapter. That is introduction to whole numbers we will learn, number line also we will learn, visualization of basic operation on number line, basic operation on whole numbers, properties of whole numbers, pattern in whole numbers. These are the objectives of the chapter which we are going to study from this particular chapter. But in the beginning itself I told you that it is a very vast and very beautiful and interesting chapter. To study in detail, we have divided the chapter into two parts. Okay. So in this session, the part 1 topics will be discussed, that is, so in this session we will learn about natural numbers and also whole numbers. We will study about number line and also performing basic operations of addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Let us start the chapter with an activity now. So here we have an activity question, children. So we will try to solve. Okay, we will read the question. Ishan and Mahesh are good friends. Both love to play marbles and have good collections of them. Ishan has 10 marbles and Mahesh has 20 marbles. Mahesh gave one marble to Ishan as a friendship gesture. Now, how many marbles does Ishan have and Mahesh too? This is what we need to find. So, you can observe here that Ishan has 10 marbles. You can count the marble, children, is it? Ishan has 10 marbles. And what about Mahesh? Mahesh has 20 marbles. See, if you want, you just count it. Okay, Mahesh has 20 marbles. After that, as a friendship gesture, Mahesh gave one marble to Ishan. See now? So, what he does? Mahesh has given one marble to Ishan. Now, we need to find how many marbles does Ishan have and Mahesh too. So, now what will be the Ishan's marble collection now? So, it will be 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Is it correct, children? What about Mahesh marbles now? See, so because he has given one marble to Ishan, hence he has lost one marble. 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Did you get it, children? So, now Ishan has 11 marbles and Mahesh has 19 marbles. I hope you have understood. Okay. But in mathematics, adding 1 to any number is called successor and subtracting 1 from any number is called predecessor. Okay, children. So, we will study in detail about successor and predecessor in the next slide now. So, first we will move to successor. So, successor is nothing but adding 1 to any number gives successor. For example, what is the successor of 19, children? Yes, of course, obviously you will say that successor of 19 is nothing but 20. How? In the sense, we need to add 1 to the number 19, which gives you the successor of 19, that is 20. Okay. Next, we will take another example. What is the successor of 99? Yes, your answer is obviously right, that is 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. I hope you have understood clearly about the successor, children. So, let us take few more examples, okay, to learn the successor. So, what is the successor of 144? Now, you should only answer to me, children. Okay. What is the successor of 144? What we have to do? Because of successor, we need to add 1 to the given number, so that we will find the successor for that particular number. So, here 144 is a number we have. So, we have to add what? Yes, 1 to that particular number, which gives you the successor of 144, which is 145. Next number, it is 10199. 10199. What is the successor of it? Yes, of course, what we will do? We will add 1 to it, so that we will get the successor 10200. Let me take another question, 2345. What is the successor of this number, children? Yes, easily you will add 1 to it and you can able to find the successor, that is 2345. Successor is nothing but 2346. This is what the successor. Understood, children? But you should not forget, successor is nothing but adding 1 to any number. I hope clearly you have understood. So, then we will move to predecessor. Predecessor is nothing but subtracting 1 from any number. For example, what is the predecessor of 17? To find out the predecessor of 17, we need to subtract 1 to the given number 17. Okay. So, 17 minus 1 will gives you the predecessor of 17, that is 16. Now, next example, what is the predecessor of 20? 20 predecessor is 19. Of course, your answer is correct. See, many of you are answering. So, what we have done? 20 because of predecessor minus 1 we have subtracted, that is 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. So, predecessor of 20 is nothing but 19. Let us take another set of examples, children, so that you can understand clearly. Okay. Now, we will try these examples. What is the predecessor of? First one, 94, they have asked. Okay. To find out the predecessor of 94, what I will do? So, minus 1 we have to subtract. So, minus 1 we have to do, that is equal to 93. Okay. Predecessor of 94 is nothing but 93. Next, what is the predecessor of 1000? Yes, minus 1 you have to do, then that will be equal to 999, that is 999. So, predecessor of 1000 is nothing but 999. Next, predecessor of 2080. So, we will subtract 1 again. Why? Because we need to find the predecessor. Yes. So, predecessor of 2080 will gives you 2079. Got it, children? See, we have learned successor and predecessor. If you want, you take some more examples and you just try. Understood, children? Yes. Next, we will move to another slide now. Here we have activity question. Yes, of course, it will be interesting. We will try to answer to this question. Okay, what it says? Rupa loves flowers. She bought pot and planted plant in that. Next day in the morning, she found no flower bloomed in that. She thought of waiting another day and watered her plant. On day 2, she found a beautiful flower bloom in her pot. On day 3, she see 2 flowers blooming, and day 4, 3 flowers in the pot. Okay. So, what are the questions we will see now? Question number 1. How many flowers did Rupa see on day 1, day 2, day 3 and day 4? Second question. Rupa has a doubt and she is failing to write the number of first day flower. Will you help her, children? Yes, of course, we will try to help her. Okay. And we will try to solve this. Got it, children? Okay. According to the story, we will see now. Day 1, she did not find any flower, of course. Day 2, she find 1 flower. Day 3, 2 flowers, and day 4, 3 flowers. Let me answer to the first question. How many flowers did Rupa see on day 1, day 2, day 3? See, with this pictures itself, you can easily answer, children. Day 1, she did not find any flower in her pot. Day 2, only 1 flower. Day 3, 2 flowers. Day 4, 3 flowers. We will move to the second question. Rupa has a doubt and she is failing to write the number of first day flower. Yes, of course, children. See, first day she did not find any flower. It is nothing but nil. So, in mathematics, how we can able to represent this nothing or nil? Can anyone? Yes, your answer is absolutely right. Nothing or nil can be represented in mathematics as 0. Is it correct, children? Yes, of course. Okay. Now, you have already familiar with natural numbers. Natural numbers will start from 1, you know already. But what about the 0? 0 is not a natural number. Correct, children? All and always natural numbers will start from 1. Then what about the 0? What we are going to call the numbers starting from 0? I hope you have got my point, children. That is the thing we are going to learn in this particular chapter in detail. Okay. That is what whole numbers. Got it? Whole numbers. The collection of natural numbers along with the 0 are called whole numbers. The collection of natural numbers along with the 0 are called whole numbers. Okay. By this you can say that whole numbers will start from 0 with natural numbers. And you can also say that 0 is a whole number. Okay. Yes? Yes, of course. See now, 0 is a whole number and from 1 it is natural number. Is it correct? Natural numbers will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. and whole numbers will start from 0. Let us learn interesting questions about whole numbers. In this first question, are all natural numbers are whole numbers? See this figure. Okay. You can answer to this question if you will be observing this figure. See, are all natural numbers are whole numbers? Try to answer me. Think, are all natural numbers are whole numbers? See here, yes, natural numbers will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and whole numbers will start from 0 with the natural numbers. Are all natural numbers are whole numbers? In the sense, your answer should be yes. Why? Because all natural numbers will be included in whole numbers. Let me go for another question, that is, which is the smallest whole number? Which is the smallest whole number? Again, see the figure. Of course, your answer is ready, that is 0. Why? Because whole numbers will start from 0, that is the smallest whole number. Then we will move to third question, that is, are all whole numbers also natural numbers? See the figure again. Are all whole numbers also natural numbers? What is your answer? It is no. Why? Because whole numbers will start from 0, whereas natural numbers will start from 1. Understood, children? About the whole number we have studied. Whole numbers will start from 0, okay, and even with the help of figure also we have answered the questions. Then we will move to another slide, that is about number line. This is very interesting topic and very important concept that from the chapter whole number. You have already learnt about the number line in your previous class, children. Yes, of course. See this? Correct now? Number line you have studied already. What it says? Number line is a horizontal line that is marked at equal intervals. Equal intervals with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Since we are dealing whole numbers, okay, so always we have to start with the number 0. Got it, children? So what are the other aspects we need to learn from this number line? In the sense, you can see this number line. So this number line says that the number line is a visual way of ordering numbers from smaller to larger. Yes, of course. See the first number, children, it is 0. Next number is 1. Another number is 2. Then it is 3. So here the numbers are arranged in such a way that smaller to larger. Next, the number line starts with 0 and next numbers. Yes, of course, the number line should start from 0 followed by natural numbers. Hence, 0 is called origin. Next, the distance between 0 and 1 number line is called unit distance. The distance between 0 and 1 on the number line is called unit distance. Is it correct, children? See, you can see that arrows which I have already marked. So that particular distance and the distance between 2 to 3 and even 3 to 4 etc. are called unit distance. Let us learn few more points on number line. You have already know that the number line will start from 0 and the next numbers 1, 2, 3 etc. Hence, the number on the right on the number, on the right on the number is greater number. Got it, children? See, I have shown the arrow mark also. You can see that the number on the right on the number is greater the number. See how it is possible? The origin 0, the next number is 1, next number is 2 and 3, 4 etc. Of course, if we will move right side towards the number line, the numbers will be always greater numbers. The number on the left on the number is lesser number. See, I have shown the arrow mark also towards left side. Why? Because the number on the left on the number is lesser number. See, children, for example, start from 8. Okay, 8 and 7, which is a lesser number? 7. 7 and 6, which is a lesser number? 6. 6 and 5, 5. See, if we will move towards left, the number value will also decreases. If we will move towards right, the number values will increases. Got it, children? This point is very important. Perform some of the basic operations on number line. I hope you have understood the points about number line, children. So, as I said, we will perform some of the basic operations on number line. in the first thing, we will start up with addition on number line. Let us visualize addition of 3 and 4 on number line. To add this 3 and 4 on number line, of course, you need a number line, is it? Draw the number line and write the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. So, now we have to add 3 and 4 on number line, hence we need to start from the number 3 on number line. Start from 3, since we add 4 to this number, so we make 4 jumps to the right. Got it, children? So, we have to start from 3 and we have to add 4 to that number. So, hence we need to move 4 jumps to the right side of the number line. We will see that. See, children, this is the first jump 3 to 4 and the second jump 4 to 5 and the next jump 5 to 6 and another jump 6 to 7. This is our fourth jump. Is it correct, children? Yes. So, we have reached to the number 7 and we get the sum of 3 and 4 is 7, that is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Let us have another example, that is addition on number line itself. Let us visualize addition of 2 and 5 on number line, children. So, first thing, we have to draw the number line, start the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Got it? Now, we have to start from 2. Is it correct, children? Yes, of course. See, you have to start from 2 and we add 5 to this number. So, we make 5 jumps to the right. Since we are adding, we have to move towards right side of the number line. Hence, starting from 2, 5 jumps we need to move. First jump is 2 to 3, second jump is 3 to 4, third jump is 4 to 5, fourth jump is 5 to 6, fifth jump is 6 to 7. Yes, 5 jumps we have done and we have reached the number 7. By this you can say that the sum of 2 and 5 is 7, that is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. I hope you have understood, children. The addition on number line is cleared now. Is it correct? So, let's try this sums on number line, children. So, I will give 2 sums, that is one is 4 plus 5 and another one is 2 plus 6. I hope you will solve and you will get the answer. Next, we will move to subtraction on number line. As we have already learned addition on number line, in the same way subtraction is also possible on number line. Let us visualize subtraction 7 minus 5 on number line. The number line starting from the number 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Since we need to subtract 7 minus 5, we will start up from the number 7. Start from 7, since 5 is being subtracted, so we move towards left 1 jump of unit and make 5 such jumps. In addition, what we used to do? We used to move towards right side, but in case of subtraction, we need to move towards left. Start from 7, since 5 is subtracted, so we move towards left with 1 jump. Jumped towards left from 7, that is 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2 of 1 unit. So, we reach the point 2. Hence, we can say that 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Got it, children? We will move to another example, that is 8 minus 5. For this, we need the number line. Write the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Here, we have to subtract 8 and 5. So, we need to start from the number 8. Start from 8, since 5 is being subtracted, so move towards left with 1 jump of 1 unit and make 5 such jumps. Yes, of course, we need to move towards left since it is subtraction. So, we move 5 jumps towards left now. So, now first jump is 8 to 7, 7 to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3. Yes, 5 jumps we have jumped towards left. So, we have reached the number 3. We get 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. I hope you have understood the subtraction part on number line, children. So, now I will give two more sums on subtraction on number line. I hope you will solve. So, try these two sums children, 8 minus 3 and 6 minus 2. So, next we will move to multiplication on number line. Let us find the product 4 into 2. So, even for this we need the number line with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Multiplication means moving towards right with specified unit at a time. Of course, even here we need to move towards right with the specified units at a time. Start from 0, move 2 units at a time to the right, make 4 such moves. 2 units starting from 0. We will start from 0 and we will take the 2 units, okay, jump 2 units. So, 0 to 2 is one jump, 2 to 4 is another jump, 4 to 6 is another jump, 6 to 8 is another jump. So, 4 such jumps are required here. So, hence we have jumped 4 jumps. So, we get 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and we have reached it to the point 8. Let us move to another example, that is 3 into 2. Draw the number line with the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Start from 0, move 2 units at a time to the right. Make 3 such moves. Yes, of course, 2 units with 3 jumps starting from 0. We will start from 0, 2 units in the sense as a 2 unit 1 jump. So, first jump, second jump and third jump. Is it correct children? So, we reached the number 6. Hence, we get 3 into 2 is equal to 6. I hope you have understood children. Let me give another 2 questions on multiplication. So, try this children, 3 into 3 and 2 into 6. These sums you have to solve. Got it children? So, this is what we have learnt on number line. Addition of number line we have done, subtraction on number line also we have done, multiplication on number line also we have done. I hope you have understood clearly. Let us move to another aspect, that is assessing. So, we have a quick review children, so that what we have studied in this part 1 session. I will ask you some of the question. I will display some of the questions on the screen. You people should answer children. Are you ready to answer? First question. The successor of 2365 is? Yes, your answer is correct, that is 2366. Second question. The predecessor of 8056321 is? 8056320. I hope you have answered. Third question. Natural numbers will start from? Yes, it is very easy question, 1. Next question. Whole numbers will start from 0. Is it correct? Yes. Fifth question. Smallest whole number is? Yes, your answer is absolutely right, that is 0. I hope you have understood this session children. Let us summarize the topics what we have discussed in this session. Firstly, we have discussed about natural numbers and whole numbers. After that, we have studied about number line. After that, performing addition, subtraction and multiplication on number line. Is it correct children? Yes. Now, we have assignment. Okay. I will display some of the questions now. You just have to copy down all these questions and you have to solve, then you should update to your school teacher children. Okay. First question, read on fast. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 10999. Second question, which is the smallest whole number? Third question, write the successor of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.